Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home. So students, stay at your home, be safe and be healthy. Yes dear students, now we have to start it over the second chapter of 5th class. That is the stone, second chapter, Stone Age. And today's date is 1 May 2020. Yes students, before starting the chapter we do some activity. Here are the some pictures. In these pictures, first of all, we have to find out the tools. Which picture is a tool? Flower, no. Cap, no. This, yes. Knife, yes. Spoon, no. Hammer, yes. Apple, no. So these three are the tools and rest one are not the tools. Yes, dear students, as its name clarity that the Stone Age. In this chapter we have to discuss about the Stone Age. In the previous chapter we have to discuss about the stages of the human evolution and sources of the understand the early humans. So now in this chapter we have to read the early humans also made tools from the stones. Why? Because stones are easily available. Because stones was easily available. The stone tools came to be used on such a large scale that the period came to be known as the Stone Age. Based on the type of the stone tools that early humans used, the Stone Age is divided into the four periods. How the human beings used, we have to divide the Stone Age into the four periods. Which one four periods? Paleolithic, or we can say that Old Stone Age, starting of the Old Stone. Mesolithic, Middle Stone Age. Neolithic, New Stone Age. Chalcolithic, Copper Stone Age. Means in last stage, human being also use the stone as well as the copper. So firstly we have to start with the Paleolithic age. During this period, the early humans did not grow crops. Starting, early humans don't know how to grow the crops. So they have to move from one place to another in search of their food. They moved from one place to another in search of the food because they do not know how to grow the crops. So they have to go one place to another to hunt the animals, to carry fruits, vegetables that is grow automatically in the forest area. Next, they gathered wild berries, fruits, nuts and the roots and hunted animals for their meat. खाने के लिए all things they have to be gathered and hunted animals also. When they have to hunt the animals and gather the things, so we have to call them, they were also known as the hunter gatherers. What they have to call? Hunter gatherers. They lived close to the rivers. Why they are living close to the rivers, students? Because they also need water for drinking or other activities. So, to fulfill the need of the water, they live near the rivers. They lived close the rivers so that they could get a sufficient supply of water. They took shelter up in the trees or in the caves. They don't know how to make the houses. So they take shelter in the trees or in the caves. They traveled in a group to protect themselves from the wild animals. Why they not move single one? If they move the single person, any wild animal attack on it and that person would be dead. So always they traveled in a groups when they shift from one place to the another place. Next one is features of the Paleolithic age. Early humans made simple stone tools. Simple stone tools firstly they have to make, but that stones tools also had the sharp edges. Their edge would be the sharp, tikhi. And early humans also know about the fire. At that time, he also discovered the fire, use of the fire. Making of tools. How he makes the tools. Both big and small stones were used to make tools. Big stones also used, small stones also be used. The stones tools were used to. For which purpose they used the stone tools? First, to cut the trees. Second, to dug out the roots. If they have to find out to dug any roots, he used that stone tool. Next, hunt animals. To hunt the animals he used the stone tools. Chop meat. Meat को chop करने के लिए. Fruits, wood को. Many tools such as hand axes, hammer, choppers, still we have to find in many places of the India. Many places of India we have to find these things that made up of the stones. So these places are called the sites from where we have to got, and that places we have to call the sites. Now look at map 2.1 on page number 15. In that page, here are the some sites: Paleolithic site, Mesolithic, Neolithic and Chalcolithic. And that red one is the Paleolithic site. Mirzapur, Bhimtekka, Navadoli, Bori, Kurnool, Brahmagiri. These are the Paleolithic site. And here we have to write the 4 Paleolithic site. First one is Mirzapur, Bhimtekka, Bori and Kurnool. Next one is the discovery of fire. Early human, in the Paleolithic age, early human also discovered the fire. Discovery of fire is a very major discovery. As a very major discovery. Fire was a major discovery. We do not know how it happened. कैसे हुआ हमें नहीं मालूम. But it's a very big discovery. We can say that. Perhaps what we have to imagine, the early humans rubbed 2 stones and sparks fell on the dry leaves laying nearby. Means they have to take the 2 stones and rub it, continuously rubbing. And after the rubbing, a spark comes out and downside is the dry leaves. And sparks fell on the dry leaves and fire light up. However, they soon learnt how to use the fire. After that, they know the use of the fire, for which purpose they have to use the fire. First one, they used fire to provide light. At the night time, they light the fire and all side have the light one. They sat around fire to keep themselves warm. In the winter season, they light the fire and keep themselves warm. And they also used the fire to protect themselves from the wild animals, because wild animals afraid from the fire. They do not come near to the fire. So they also used fire to protect themselves. So dear students, in this video we have to discuss about only the one age, that is the Paleolithic age, and it's a old stone age. So I hope you have to listen it carefully and understand. Take care. Bye bye. Meet you